In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to configure Safari website permissions on your iPhone. Website permissions let you control what each website can access, such as your camera, microphone, location, and more. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and Safari tutorials. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Apps, and then select Safari. Next, scroll down and tap Settings for Websites. Here, you'll see options like camera, microphone, location, downloads, pop-ups, and more. Tap any permission to choose how Safari should handle it. You can set it to Ask, Deny, or Allow, depending on the permission. These settings will apply to websites unless you've chosen a different permission for a specific site. You can also change permissions for an individual website. Open the website in Safari, tap the Page menu button in the address bar, then tap Website Settings. From there, adjust the permissions for that website. That's it. That's how you can configure Safari website permissions on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips, Safari guides, and iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.